The All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMWJU and the Editors Guild Manipur EGM have served separate legal notices on the President and 3 members of the Editors Guild of India EGI representing AMWJU Senior Advocate Sapam Bishwajit Maitei's Junior Advocate Haubam Prabir Kumar Singh sent a legal notice to the EGI President and EGI members Seema Guha, Sanjay Kapoor and Varat Bhushan yesterday. Another legal notice was also sent to the EGI President and the 3 members by Advocate Sapam Bishwajit Maitei's Junior Nauren Prishta Devi on behalf of the EGM. Another legal notice was also sent to the EGI President and the 3 members by Advocate Sapam Bishwajit Maitei's Junior Nauren Prishta Devi on behalf of the EGM. Contents of the 2 legal notices are more or less similar. The 2 legal notices were sent against the report of the fact-finding mission on media's reporters of the ethnic violence in Manipur published by the EGM on September 2nd.